If you've been charged with assault, you can call us at Bramnick Rodriguez because we have many lawyers here who used to prosecute these cases for county and state prosecutors' offices. We have lawyers here who have incredibly long history of experience, both as a prosecutor and now as a criminal defense lawyer. Assault is different depending on the circumstances surrounding the charge. Now, if you were to push someone or have some physical contact with someone, but there was no weapon or no serious injury, that would be a simple assault. And there's aggravated assault, much more serious. In addition, you may hear the word assault associated with domestic violence. That's also different because they may bring what's called a restraining order against you if you assault someone in your family. So we're happy to answer those questions for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if you've been charged in the criminal courts with assault.